Hi guys, it is C with Atlantic Knife, and today we'll be doing a review of the Zero Tolerance 0022 designed by Tim Galyean. It's the small 2-inch blade. Go ahead and open her up there. Looks like just like every other ZT you get. Same box. Same stuff inside. We'll start off with basics and we'll go over the specs. This blade is 4.875 overall. The blade length is 1.875 inches. It's a CPM 20 CV blade, stainless. Blade style is clip point. Has a stone wash finish, so shouldn't show wear. Has jimping on top for easy control. The handle length is just under 3 inches. The material on the handle is carbon fiber. That's through and through. It's a frame lock, titanium on the back. It is made in the USA. It has a pocket clip and a barrel spacer. I think I mentioned before that this knife was designed by Tim Galyean. It is tip-up carry, but it is reversible, so right-handed or left-handed. Of course, it has a plain edge on the blade. It has a blue anodized titanium pivot collar. And of course, it utilizes the KVT ball bearing system. Well, that's enough of me talking about this knife. Let's show you how it cuts. We'll set it down for a second. We'll start off with some paracord here. Go with a little pull cut. I'm going to push it forward. Cuts very smoothly in the forward position. Got a little corded jute here. I like using this because this is the type of material that I'll get asked to walk into the house. My wife will ask me, will you cut this for me? And it's normally this type of stuff. Got a little piece of cardboard here. We'll see how it does on that. We'll use the jimping area to see how we can get a cut. And we'll use a 2-finger grip. Not bad. This cardboard obviously has some tape on it, but so will cardboard that you will get when you're using it. So it cuts through that pretty easily. Alright. We'd like to ask you guys to, if you like what you see here for the zt0022 review. Forgot to mention that this knife retails at $240. I believe we carry it for around $200. But if you like what you see, like and subscribe. We do tons of reviews. We probably post anywhere from 50 to 75 1-minute reviews a week. We try to cover all the new knives. We do about 10 to 12 5-minute reviews, and then we do a weekly show that comes out every Friday that has 8 or 10 of the most popular knives of the week that have come out, and we'll talk about those, Joel and I, and humorous way. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, and this was the review of the ZT Galyean knife. This is C, and I am signing off.